Are you trying to free up space in your Google Photos without losing your pictures from your iPhone or Android device? I'm going to show you the simple steps of deleting the photos from your Google Photos app, but without deleting them from your iPhone or your Android phone, so just follow the steps in this video. We won't be using the Google Photos app because that will remove the photo from our phone as well, and we don't want that. What I'm going to do instead is to open my web browser, and that can be Safari, Google Chrome, or whichever one you use on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter. I'll open Safari since I'm on my iPhone, and what you want to do is to open a website called photos.google.com. And this will open the web version of Google Photos, which is just what we need. Our job now is to simply make sure that we're logged into the correct Google account, and then open the photo which you want to delete. You can select one photo or multiple photos in here, and then delete them by tapping on the little trash can icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then these will be removed from your Google Photos account only, and they won't be removed from your mobile phone's photo gallery. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.